This 2024 Grech RV Strada AWD Tour Ion is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grech RV is 24 feet 0 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this Class B features kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.